Are you looking to automate your marketing campaigns with SuiteDash, but unsure if it's the right fit for your needs? In this video, we're diving into how SuiteDash can help you streamline and automate your marketing campaigns, and we'll also explore some alternatives that might serve you even better. Stick around until the end, because we've got a special bonus for you that'll save you time and money when making your choice. First things first, SuiteDash is an all-in-one platform that combines CRM, project management, and marketing automation in one seamless package. This can be a game changer if you're tired of juggling multiple tools to manage your campaigns. With SuiteDash, you can automate your emails, workflows, and tasks all within one system. But while SuiteDash offers a lot of features, it's not the easiest platform for beginners. The learning curve can be steep, and some users have found that it takes time to get everything set up exactly how they want it. So, let's break it down. Next, SuiteDash allows you to create automated workflows, which can be incredibly helpful in keeping your marketing consistent without manually handling every task. You can trigger emails based on certain actions, like filling out a form or subscribing to a list. This automation helps nurture leads and engage customers without much effort. However, the automation rules in SuiteDash are a bit limited compared to other platforms. For advanced workflows, you might find yourself wishing for more customization and flexibility. The third thing worth mentioning is SuiteDash's CRM features. You can segment your contacts, track interactions, and manage your sales pipeline, which is crucial for marketing automation. The platform's CRM integration can work seamlessly with its email automation tools. But here's the catch: while SuiteDash does a solid job integrating everything, the user interface is cluttered, making it harder to navigate compared to other CRM-centric platforms like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign. The time it takes to figure out the system could be better spent executing your campaigns. Another great feature of SuiteDash is its client portal. This allows your clients to view their invoices, project status, and other relevant details, which can help with client retention and satisfaction. However, this client-facing aspect of SuiteDash doesn't come across as sleek or user-friendly as some other platforms that specialize in client experience, so keep that in mind if client satisfaction is a top priority. The fifth thing to consider is SuiteDash's pricing. While its basic plan is affordable, as your business grows and you require more advanced features, the pricing can become quite expensive. Many users feel that the value you get doesn't always justify the higher cost, especially when other tools provide similar or better features at a lower price. Now, let's wrap things up. SuiteDash can definitely help you automate your marketing campaigns, but depending on your needs, there might be better alternatives out there. If you're looking for something with a more intuitive interface, better email automation, and a smoother learning curve, we've got some recommendations that might be a better fit. Here's the good news: if you're set on SuiteDash, we've got an exclusive, extended free trial for you through our link. But we've also found some fantastic alternatives with better solutions for automating your marketing campaigns that also come with a free trial. You can access these alternatives and the best deals, available only to our viewers, by checking out the links in the description below. So, don't miss out. Automate your marketing the right way today.